in the news for a mega fundraise. It's raised an additional $1.2 billion from an investor group led by Walmart. Now, this is the biggest fundraise for Flipkart since it was acquired by Walmart a couple of years ago. Now, Walmart had acquired Flipkart a couple of years ago for $16 billion. They acquired an 80% stake, valuing it at $21 billion then. Now, the latest fundraise values Flipkart at $24.9 billion post-money valuation. So that's a bump up in valuation in the last few years. Now, though Flipkart hasn't disclosed who the other investors in this round are, there are reports that indicate the other investors are Tiger Global and Tencent. Tiger Global, remember, is one of the earliest investors in Flipkart, and Tencent also retained their shareholding despite Walmart acquiring a majority. Now, this is a significant announcement. It's coming at a time when there is a lot of competition in the e-commerce space. Flipkart not only has to contend with Amazon, they also have to prepare for Mukesh Ambani's Jio, which has a lot of ambitions in the e-commerce space. And remember, they've just raised over 1 lakh crore rupees from a clutch of investors. So they have deep pockets to really go after the market now. They have already started testing hyperlocal delivery in markets such as Mumbai. So Flipkart certainly needs to bulk up on its ammunition at this point. And this fundraise will help them doing that. In terms of the categories that Flipkart is betting big on. So if you look at Kalyan Krishnamurthy, the Group CEO statement, he spoke about how Flipkart is already the leader in categories such as electronics and fashion, and that they are also expanding into groceries in a big way. So these are some of the areas that Flipkart is going to focus on. Now remember, the Flipkart Group includes not just the e-commerce platform Flipkart, it also includes their fashion portal Myntra, their digital payments offering PhonePe, which has been doing very well. In fact, there were reports that Walmart wants to spin off PhonePe into a separate entity because they see a lot of potential there. And the Flipkart Group also includes eCart, which is their logistics service. So it will be interesting to see how this battle plays out on because the internet space has always been a winner takes all kind of battle. So is there scope for multiple players to exist in India? That's something that we'll have to wait and see, because there's been a lot of consolidation in the last few years. Whether Flipkart can continue to retain its leadership at a time when Amazon on one hand and Jio on the other is making significant investments. That's something we have to wait and see. But this is a significant investment coming in for Flipkart at this critical time.